What many of our viewers may not know is that all the video you've been watching in this channel before now, I shoot them with a smartphone and I edit inside a smartphone. Now, the reason might be because maybe I'm lazy or I don't have the time to open laptop, copy, all the this thing, or I don't want to make the process long. Or maybe because I do YouTube part-time. Anyway, I have several laptops, slim, lightweight. I even have heavy. Why I don't do editing on this laptop is because I feel that I haven't found myself the perfect laptop that will give me the speed I need for video editing, heavy gaming, work stuff, all in one system. So, but today that's changed. Let me introduce to you the MSI GL65 LEOPARD, and let me show you the reasons why I chose it as my next level of work, YouTube editing, and even pleasure and gaming. If you're ready, let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot. So before we run the unboxing and quick review of this GL65 LEOPARD, now let me clear the air here because there are about 14 different models of this series, but I'm going to focus on the ones that are running the Nvidia RTX 20 series. So there are 4 that are running it. They have the RTX 2070 Super, RTX 2070, RTX 2060, and RTX 2060. The 2070 have 8 gig dedicated video memory. The 2060 have 6 gig dedicated video memory. But this series, they are almost the same thing in terms of performance. So it's just the difference in the GPU. So then there is also backlight configuration in 1 or 2 of them. In this model, there are 4 of them. So as you can see, my own is a 10SER. So let's unbox this and then see what's in the box. Okay, there's a power brick. Oh, and they gave me an adapter. Nice. So all of the one that is running the RTX 20 series are having this 230 watts power brick, and kind of heavy, and it's powerful. Okay, so apart from that, there's nothing else extra inside the box apart from manual and all the stuff that you get. Well, the body is plastic. The body is plastic, but the feel is rich. That's just the thing. It's the build is compact, is strong, is rich, and then the keys, the softness of the keys is just so sweet, especially the typing. I mean, you're gonna love this. But then the question is, you can build your configuration. My own is 32 gig. The default configuration is 16 gig memory. Mine is 32 gig. You can build your own to up to 64 gig of raw storage of RAM. So and then also you can increase your SSD. This one is 512 SSD and is blazing fast because actually using the M.2 generation 3. So it is blazing fast. Sometimes I get up to 600 to 700 MB per second of transfer within the SSD itself. So that is good. The feel is good, and there is that super turbo cooling, and that is very, very critical if you're working on a workflow like mine. So going into the device itself, I don't think there's any complaint. It is future proof. It has Wi-Fi 6, it has Bluetooth 5.1, it has USB 3.2, but I'm going to show you why I recommend this and I feel is worth the box. So when I do my workflow, normally I do video editing and then I do other working. So if I'm running on the background, I may be doing maybe a thumbnail or some other application. So but what I want to show you here is actually the GPU utilization and how it can be very, very useful for multitasking. So I am actually rendering a video here on 4K, and it was actually shot on 4K too. So 4K 120 FPS, and so I'm rendering it on 4K, and I'm gonna still show you my workflow why I actually recommended this one, especially if you're gonna go for MSI Leonard GL65, you have to go for the ones that have the RTX 20 series. There are other versions that has the 16 series of GPU from Nvidia, so those ones are not actually as fast as these, and all the series in this RTX 20 series are similar in terms of their performance. So as you can see, I'm running my rendering here now. So what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to drop out from this and then go do other things, maybe say check out some video on my YouTube. And so that's it. If you watched up to this point, you should just click on that subscribe button, because we have a lot of video that can keep you educated, interesting and wonderful insights into tech. So now I am actually running my rendering on the background, so I'm going to show you the utilization again and why this is an upgrade. Whether you're doing video editing, heavy application, heavy gaming, this guy can handle it. It has the 6 gig dedicated video memory. My own version is the 6 gig. Also, there is also 8 gig, the RTS 2070 series on the same version. So as you can see that the utilization is not all that's, even more than half, and while it's giving me the speed I want, and it's running every other thing. So to round it up, there's that turbo. I talked about it. When you are rendering like this, you can put on the turbo to maintain the temperature. For me, it's worth it. The $1,200 or more is worth it for the upgrade, and I highly recommend this one for anybody who wants to make an upgrade to effective workflow and multitasking. So until I see you next time, peace.